What's up guys, in this video I'll show you how to take out the DB killers. So you will need a driller, rivet gun and 4mm rivets. So like you see that there are like 6 black rivets that you need to drill down in order to take out the front cap. So once you drill it, you will be able to take out the front cap like I'm doing it right now. And once that cap is out, you have to just unscrew the nut that you are seeing right now. So once you take it out, you would be able to pull the DB killer just like what I'm doing it right now. Yeah, so there you go, the DB killer is out of your Akrapovic exhaust and it's just like a hollow tube. Now it's time to put the cap back, so you have to put the 4mm rivets via rivet gun. So you have to press it like 3-4 times to fix the rivet. And yeah, that's it. So that's pretty much about it. Now let me show you the sound after removing the DB killer. I hope you like this video, and if you want me to do more videos on Duke 390, do comment on this video and subscribe to this channel.